Using color of white, make a magic ring, chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the end to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 3 and work 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1 and 2 double crochet into the next single crochet, chain 1 and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch using the color purple. Start the next round into the 1 chain space. Chain 3, 1 more double crochet into the same 1 chain space, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet into the same 1 chain space. Then go into the next 1 chain space and work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain using the color green and start the round from the next 1 chain space. Chain 3, 2 more double crochet into the same space, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same 1 chain space. Go into the next 1 chain space and work 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round into the 3rd chain and go into the first 2 chain space and join the pink color yarn. Chain 3, work 2 more double crochet into the same space, then skip the next 3 double crochet and work a double crochet into the next stitch, then chain 2, go into the next 2 chain space and work 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet between the next 2 sets of 3 double crochet and repeat until the end of the round. close the round with a slip stitch into the third chain, chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each of the following stitches. Slip stitch into the first single crochet using the color purple. Chain 3, and into the same stitch work 2 triple crochet, chain 3, and 2 more triple crochet into the same stitch, then continue with 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1/2 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, then 1/2 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and repeat this section 3 more times to complete the square. We will close the round with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet using the color green. Chain 2, work 2 double crochet into the first 2 stitches, then into the 3 chain space work 2 double crochet, chain 3, and 2 more double crochet, and then continue with 1 double crochet into each of the following stitches, and into the 3 chain space corner work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, slip stitch into the first double crochet, and the square is done.